In a previous video that turned out to be rather popular, we talked about how to make a search bar in Google Sheets. I wanted to build upon this and use AppScript in order to make this even more powerful. So right here we have 3 sheets, and before I used to designate a cell which would be type in a text and then it would filter information. This, on the other hand, allows us to use a dialog window to search for anything. And now we'll search all sheets. It returns the location of our search, and it also allows us to find matches even if we forget to capitalize the letter. So I searched for boy with a lowercase b, and it still gave me the return data, and it's giving me the entire row of information that's in there. So it's showing us that it's sheet 3, row 8, and there it is. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the source code below in the description. Until next time.